Are ocean ecosystems shifting due to climate change? Imagine a world where the oceans' shape and life are changing right before our eyes. That is happening now because of climate change. Rising global temperatures are warming the waters across the globe. This warming causes many marine species to move toward cooler areas, like higher latitudes or deeper waters. Some species are traveling about 44 miles every 10 years, which is much faster than land animals. These movements upset the balance of ecosystems and food chains. Fish that used to stay in tropical waters are now found closer to the poles. Meanwhile, polar species lose their habitats as sea ice melts away. Ocean warming also causes marine heat waves, which are long periods of very hot water. These heat waves stress marine animals, especially corals. Corals have a fragile relationship with algae that live inside them. When water gets too warm, corals bleach and often die. Since coral reefs are home to many sea animals, their decline hurts biodiversity and ecosystem health. Another big issue is ocean acidification. When carbon dioxide from the air dissolves into seawater, it forms carbonic acid. This makes the ocean more acidic, which makes it harder for animals like mollusks, corals, and plankton to build their shells and skeletons. Weak shells mean fewer of these animals survive, which can cause problems for the entire food chain. Deoxygenation is also happening, where oxygen levels in the water drop. This makes it tough for marine animals that need lots of oxygen to survive. All these effects, warming, acidification, and deoxygenation, are often called the deadly trio because they threaten marine life so much. They cause habitats to disappear, populations to decline, and some species to go extinct. Melting polar ice is another result of climate change. It reduces habitat for animals like polar bears and narwhals. At the same time, new species can invade these areas, changing the natural balance. Climate change also affects ocean currents, which move heat, nutrients, and oxygen around the ocean. Changes in currents can make it harder for marine life to find food and suitable habitats. For sea animals and marine life, these shifts mean they face new challenges every day. Some must migrate or adapt quickly, while others might not survive the rapid changes. Overall, ocean ecosystems are transforming, and many species are at risk. Protecting vulnerable places like coral reefs and polar regions is vital. Managing fisheries carefully is also important because species are moving to new areas. Reducing carbon emissions is essential to slow down ocean warming and acidification. Monitoring these changes helps us understand what is happening and how to support marine life in a changing world.